are the implications for Pakistan if tensions escalate between Iran and the US? Do you think Pakistan can play a role in mediating the tensions?
Pakistan played a very strong role in mediation in the previous 12-day war, and that's what Pakistan is going to do. There are naval exercises with Iran, China, South Africa, and Turkey as well. And there is also another dimension of Islamic NATO of Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Indonesia, and Pakistan, and the strategic partnership between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. So I have heard that Turkey and Indonesia wants to be part of it. So one thing is very certain, that Iran, even though it's the last piece of the puzzle, or the or the unit of the chessboard which has to fall, but it's going to affect the region and even the world in a very decisive way. So the countries are now united in a sense that they don't want that peace to be fall in a way the Western world is orchestrating, especially the decapitation of the regime and a chaos. Even the Iranian population, they don't want it. Those inorganic Reuters, most of them have been simmer downs. Many of them have been captured. So, and the people, there could be resentments against the government. Women and people, they want some kind of freedom, but if they have to trade off the freedom and covering their head or not, with their sovereignty and the choice of plundering their resources, I think they will go for that. The Iranians are very proud ethnicity, and we all have to stay with them, and we all have to support them, and that's what Pakistan will do, because in the case of Iran, it's even existential for Pakistan. And if Iran will, God forbid, will fall, then Pakistan will be the next.
So much, Dr. Shazia. Appreciate it lots.